harder to see. Okay, so I'm going to see okay?
The final Tower26 ocean swim at Torrance Beach. For months, every Sunday, the group has trained together, pushing through challenges, building endurance. Now it's all come to a close with one last swim in the Pacific. That's all, folks.
Hi, good.
I got it. Okay, let's do it. Last day. How you feel last day?
I feel great. It's beautiful out here.
Good? Feeling great. Let's go.
Why is this last swim significant? Well, Tower26 is an amazing program. Gets a lot of beginners out and loving the ocean. And this last swim, look how beautiful it was today. Perfect conditions.
Yes.
I did not see a whale. I saw a lot of bat rays. I saw a lot of fish and a little sand dollar beck. It was beautiful today.
And that's a wrap. The final ocean swim might signal the end of this chapter of Tower26 team, but the memories and friendships formed here will last long after the waves have settled. More endurance sport content. How's that?
Okay, sounds